front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, tap on Emergency Information at the top and tap on Add Contacts under Emergency Contacts. Now tap on the chosen one in order to add it. You can do exactly the same to add multiple ones. In order to remove one of them, just tap on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after all that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!